To my friends with awkward mid-length hair, it could be frustrating. You just want healthy, voluminous hair. So you could say, I love my hair. So that's exactly what I'm going to show you guys in this video. Here are my hair secrets. My name is Sandra. Subscribe and like down below. Start quickly and part our hair 2 ways. Deal with our baby hairs. I have very coarse, thick hair. As you see, I am using a straightener. That is what works best for me. Not a wand, not a curler. I start by tricking my hair a little bit so I could get the most volume out of my hair. I do curls away and then towards my face. I used to be super against this back in the day. I would always say like, oh, that is just so ugly. I don't want anything towards my hair. I don't want it to be a mess. But I fully understood when my hairstylist started doing this to me and I just saw instant volume. So I go away from my face and then towards my face. And before I start actually curling my hair, I like to straighten the frizzy part that are towards my roots so I could make sure that I am good to go. On our second part of doing my hair, I think this is when I start actually focusing on my curls and I actually start putting a little bit more effort in the curls. Like you see in the first layer, I wasn't really giving it my all just because I just want to get it over with. But in my second layer is kind of when it kind of matters. So as again, we were doing that tactic forward and front. And here you could just see me fixing my baby hairs in that situation. So doing the last layer, my first layer. And do you guys appreciate the fact that like I'm just rocking this hair without like doing my roots? Like you should give a thumbs up for that. So maybe I could afford doing my roots one day. These curls are the most important curls because these are my first layer curls. Like this is when things get serious, honestly. So yeah, so I just go ahead and do that. And my favorite part is seeing the end result. Just kidding. We have to comb through. I use a wet brush. I think this is for the shower, but I use it for my dry hair. I have to strategically comb through the first time. I want to be soft and gentle. And it looks so beautiful. Wow, my hair color looks really good here. I should probably fix my roots. So then I just do that for the rest of my hair. And I just try getting a lot of volume up in here. So a drop of hair oil, any hair oil works. Honestly, I am not particular about my hair oil. I can talk about my hair products and secrets in a different video, but this is exactly how I style my hair, and this is the hair oil that I love. It's called Oribe, but I will list it down below. So the reason why I put a little bit of the excess oil on my roots is because I have the little flyaways that I want to deal with. And yeah, so that's my hair. I scrunch it up for a little bit of volume, and yeah, that is well, I'm really feeling myself, let me tell you that. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe.